religions, other languages.
Midang culture tangte, midang sakwana tangte, zirtur lengai san saknate, omani.
And that loves itself as a whole.
Chu wang chu kami pumpui khan in mangai tonate aom tat ani.
And that is the idea that is under attack by the BJP.
Tu na hian kha thil nge mai kha he BJP ho hian aron bei le mu re omanti ber ani tlat sia.
They attack different communities, different religions, different languages. They spread hatred, violence in the country.
Nam rang rang te, ko rang te, culture rang te, an hua, chumi ai chuan in hua ton na te, in zalo ton na te, in noi che ton na te hi, aron ti dar ta ani hi.
They spread arrogance, lack of understanding.
Midang hiat thiam du lo na te, in tor thei lo na te, aron ti chuak thar ta zela.
And this is completely against the idea of India.
Hey hi India kanti, INDIA ina, adu lo berle, ado ber ani tali.
Because the idea of India that we are used to, the idea of India that we believe in, is one that respects everybody, is affectionate to everybody, protects everybody.
BJP lalma tun ma India kanantina achunga mi zong zong le culture le sakwa zong zong za an lo na tekha kan duania.
Some months ago, I went to Manipur.
Rewak lo kalta khan Manipura tekhan kala.
And I could not believe what I saw.
Kahan bukathil oy ompo har katia.
The idea of Manipur has been destroyed by the BJP.
Manipur kantika anti chevek to the BJP ho yan.
It is no longer a state. It is now two states.
Kilai ki state pakata om chin ka. Tuna chuan state pathia omang an tani.
People have been murdered, women have been molested, babies have been killed, but the Prime Minister doesn't find it important to travel there.
Kilai tuar tu tam takte mai chia te le poisoi lo te an tuaran thina kara khian he kan Prime Minister puiro hian aiga tan ma ngai lo alu pola ti thak lo ni.
It's amazing to me that the Prime Minister and the government of India are so interested in what is happening in Israel, but not interested at all in what is happening in Manipur.
Kan Prime Minister te hi kan President te hi Israel thil thengi an boy pui em lai yan an ram chung e Manipura thil thengi enga man ngai lo tungi amak kat tingol ani.
If you look at our national media, you will find story after story after story, talk show after talk show about what is going on in the Middle East.
Middle East thil theng chan chin hi India ram chan chin thedar tu zong zong ne yan atam em mai ni.
But nobody in the national media speaks about what is going on in Manipur.
Amaro chu Indian national la chan chin thedar tu ho rang si nga yan Manipur chung chang thedar chak le thedar du pakhat man om loi makani.
Nobody is talking about the pain, the misery that has been caused there.
Khilaya mi pui ho tam takina tortlang an kalme ki zia thama pon ngai lo soi thama pon ngai lo amakan.
And I simply cannot understand why the Prime Minister has not visited.
Prime Minister pui po yan alahan kal lo hi makati top thei lo nia male.
It is something to be ashamed of that the leader of our union has not traveled to the state of Manipur after what has happened there.
India ramang reng ruang lal beredi sina aram chunga kati khop mayan boy ta kian voi te khat mara to lo hi thil mak top ani lomi.
And Manipur is just a symptom of the problem.
Tin Manipur kan mukhi thil dang tilang tu ayen tir na mai ani hi ti thiang u.
You can see the same problem in a smaller form in many different parts of the nation.
India ram frang ranga tlem azogin ateng zog khau pula po hek tiang zong zui kan mume kreng bokani.
People from minority communities feeling uncomfortable.
Nam tlem le tenau te ho chua tu na hian omdan atan hiat thiam thei talo ahla om lutuk to ni.
Tribal people feeling uncomfortable.
Tribal ho tan po hian om le thei na ni to lo re ani.
Dalit people feeling uncomfortable.
Dalit ho lo chu tiang bok chu lo ni ya.
There is a oppression being carried out on the people of India.
India mi pui te hi min lam chia min ra bet tlok tok hi ni kon mai ni BJP ho hian.
And I view it as an idea, as an attack on the idea of India.
India kan ti kan ngai dan chu mi kha aron be na hian kangai lo thei lo wa.
So what has happened in Manipur is of course an attack on the people of Manipur.
Chu wang chuan Manipura an torna zong zok hi Manipur te torna ani kan ti lo thei lo wanga.
But it is also an attack on the idea of India in Manipur.
Chu ba ka chuan India ram kan te kan ngai dan thina kha Manipura khian an rap chemek an ti chemek ani ti po a soi thei bo ani.
It is the duty of every single Indian to protect every single religion, every single culture, every single language, every single tradition of this country.
India hian sarkar hian culture tinte nam tinte sa kho tinte song song hi an zawaya hum hi mi an na ani tol mai ni.
And that is what the Bharat Jodo Yatra was about.
Hey hi ko kan kong zona khilai kan kong zona ma sa po khan hey kan tumber kan veiber ani reng ani.
We are fighting an election here,
Helai chon election kan nei don me ka.
and I would like you to consider what the government has done over the last 5 years.
Helai e kumakal ta chu khan he emene fi sarkar hian egen ti ti hi ka ngai to na lo lu ta.
Drugs are spreading rampantly across the future generation.
Mizoram a thalai dang te ti seturin kan kram chu a hian drugs la om zong zong hi ang apin ang ap to.
250 young lives have been extinguished because of this.
Tu nai lo ka po thalai u yom tak tak zani somnga lain nun nan chan ti kan thia a.
And while the BJP attacks your culture, your religion, your tradition, the MNF supports them in Delhi.
BJP sarkarin nang mani culture te nam nun phuk te in sa khwa te aron be mia lai hian helai emne sarkar hian an mani khala thop thei hi amak mut lobby.
One of the people who I was walking with runs an NGO, and he fights the drug menace.
Tu na karo kalna ka ton pakhat chu NGO nei tu pakhat drugs lampang do tu te si kami ni a.
So I asked him, what is the main reason for drugs in Manipur? Mizoram.
Eka tige Mizoram hian hatie me ma drugs sa tamtak le tin ama khakan zota.
And his immediate answer was, the young people of Mizoram do not get jobs, and so they do not see a future for themselves.
Ani soidana chuan kan Mizoram thalai te hian na an nei lo wang hian an tan hian invent po harani ti ani.
Over the last 5 years, the MNF government has created only 2,000 jobs.
Kumakal ta chu khan he emne sarkar hian thalai te tan na sanga chau sang thi chau asiam ti kha asia thian sa tha kani.
Your infrastructure here, your roads here are in shambles.
In kong te kan mura hian asia ti hian reng maya.
And they're destroying the economic future of the state.
Helai state economic malam thir na hi anti chevek bok to ni.
The Congress party always has a good record for governance and for development.
Congress sarkar chuan atiang development na ma hian an tho that na hi an record siam na ni ti point thian karing ani.
If you look at our state governments, each one of them has a vision, a concept of how to develop the state.
India rang Congress sarkar na in thir chuan helama mathir na thatak an nei ni ti in chiang khopin karing.
Karnataka has
Karnataka.
developed a social safety infrastructure.
Karnataka state a chuan an mani mipui him na turta na ruamana fel tak an nei thlapa.
Among the best in the world.
Khovela thaber pola chiar thei an nge nge ni.
Direct money of 2,000 rupees every month given to women of the state in their bank account.
มีระเทยทันชัวตานะนูโฮตานะเจงสังนี่อันเป็กเทตุริกองการห้องห่วงต่อพวก
financial support to farmers,
ฟาร์มารลงในตู้เทวตานเทยโตประดองกันนะอันถกเมกบอกว่า
reduce prices on gas cylinders,
เต็นก๊าซซิลินเดอร์ที่อามันน้ำเมนเราเป็นติดเหี่ยมบอกว่า
and free bus travel for women across the state.
ไม่ใช่ตานบาสจวนมันอันติฟรีตบบอกว่า
If you move to Rajasthan, you will find health insurance for up to 25 lakhs for every citizen.
ราชสถานอินชาวเพจวนมีป่าตานมีปิจินตานชูกตินตานเจงสังอาอันรวมมันและด้วยสมดีปังอาอันรวมมันและตบบอกกัน health insurance ตาน
People with heart disease, with cancer, being treated absolutely for free.
เต็นให้ยังดำชัวหาสันนะการสารติเตเลที่ดังตาเตปอยันอัดโลในกอลนันเสียมสักตุ๊บไปนี่
People who get injured, having operations completely for free.
เต็นอักซิเดนทูลานาตัวเตเอ็นกอลนาอัฟรีนันติตบบอกอะใจโตกเตฮิอัลทังเงิน
Gas cylinder that costs 1,000 rupees in BJP states costs 500 rupees in Rajasthan.
BJP ลลนัสเตตาซิลินดาร์ประคัดเจงสังขัดอันนี้ไล่คันราชสถานจนเจงสังอามันเจ้าอันนี้ตัวนี้
If you go to Chhattisgarh, you will find that farmers get the highest remuneration for rice in the country, 2,500 rupees per quintal.
ควินตัลขตาเจงสังนี่สังอาชัตติสการ์สเตตาเพจวนอันมานีขัดยังจะเป็นรถติบอยเดียวบูไฟบูหุมเลยนาการอันพันสักบกันนี่
And this money that has been given to the farmers for paddy has transformed the economy of Chhattisgarh.
ชูวางชวนฟ้ามาเตนนะปอยสาขัดยังตีสักนาจักขันชัตติสการ์ชูอันรำดินมุนสังออกไหมนี่
Money has gone to the village level and transformed villages because of this.
ทิ้งลักกิลคอร์เบอร์เทงอันจันปุยนะอันเป็กขานอันทิ้งลักควอติชูอันที่เองจูสุรไหมนี่มาสอนใน
At the same time, the Chhattisgarh government has identified local products in each district.
เทนดิสตริกที่น่ะชวนชัตติสการ์ช่วยตัวแต่ชวนอันมานี่ฮัตสันตูร์ที่ดานตูร์ก็อันถอดชวนแต่ค่ะที่เราดานตูร์อันไงตัวปุยบกะ
And supports businesses, small businesses, and ensures that small businesses succeed.
business ที่ตักเตะแต่บุลตันตูเตโฮเตอันดอมกากะอันโหลดลินโลเที่เราตัวเรียนรวมมันแต่น่าเสียมสักเซลนี่
And Chhattisgarh, a predominantly rural state, has opened a web of English schools across the state.
อันมานี่สเตทอะพอชัตติสการ์ชวนอันสเตทชูซงอะอังกฤษอะอันจะเทนตูร์เตอันหอนสักเฮียลบกันนี่
So 377 English schools provide the best quality education to the poorest students in Chhattisgarh.
ชุดyang chuan tu na po Chhattisgarh state a chuan school za thum som sari pasari lai mai khove a tar so tlak an din sak to nge ni
So while we are developing states, protecting farmers, protecting laborers, protecting small businesses, the BJP is busy attacking them.
khat yang a mi ti kana tur mi chi rang ti kana tur ngai tua kan man le lai hian kan state sarkar na chuan BJP chuan khang ho ti chia da tur kha an lo zong le an lo man le ve tunga ni
GST is designed to destroy small and medium businesses.
tuna an GST ron don chuatere rengi business te nau te ho ti chia da tur ta nan ruam man ni ti hiat reng maya
It is designed to weaken India's farmers.
India farmer te an ra be the tur ta nan ruam man ni
All of you know what happened with demonetization.
mana poisa anti an cancel na demonetization kan tika in la kheve kan kareng
A completely ridiculous idea thought up by the Prime Minister of our country.
kan prime minister pui hian ka India ran ti chia na tur an hausak na tur ni boxi arua man liu ane
The economy still hasn't recovered.
ขัดจังการกันเอคโนโมกันเอคโนมีง่ายอะไรโอโลเร่กันนี่
And if you want to understand the Prime Minister's strategy for developing India's economy, it can be summed up by one word.
Prime Minister in kan ram a choi kan du dan hi kong khatin tian lo soi don tai la
Adani.
Adani ani mai Adani ya
Everything is designed to help one businessman.
mi pakhat lok na tur li tan he thil hi na ko ka Adani chu ni
So that is the state of the nation.
chu kan ram tin mun hi ni ringon mai
It is a shame that the people who are running your government are in cahoots with the government of Delhi.
India ram a ai kola chel tu ber hi mi pakhat boy hi ta kan yo manga o ti thein ta ni
Vote for the Congress party that treats everybody with respect.
Congress party ro hi chuan mi zong hi ngai ang khat vekin aen ani
That provides not empty words but a vision to the state of Mizoram.
Thutiam ruak le Belgian dolo peve lavin India ram thui takakan kalatur ruaina anai ni
And if there's one thing I want to leave you with, it is that we will defend your culture, your religion, and your tradition.
thil pakhat ka soi chian em du le ka nu chia du cheu chu kan lo sarkar do na chu wang chuan in sa khwa na in culture le in nam nun phung hi kan hum him sak don cheu ni ti ka tiam du cheu ni
It is, for us, it is more important than anything else.
hei kan ta chuan eng dang zongai na poimo berani
Because if Mizo culture is attacked and destroyed, if Mizo tradition is attacked and destroyed, if your language is attacked and destroyed, if your religion is attacked and destroyed, then India is attacked and destroyed.
achan chu in culture te in nam nun phung te sa khwa te ti chia ta on po chuan he kan India ti chia ta ni ti kan ria ni
We love your diversity. We love your perspective. We love your way of looking at the world and at life.
in dang lam na te in thil thir dan te khovelin mu dan te kan ngai sang chewa
It is our most valuable asset.
hei thil poimo ber ani reng sin
It is much more important than these buildings and all these other things, because it is the heart of India and heart of Mizoram.
heng building lian pui te kong tha pui te song song ai khan kha in ril ru le in zale na ka apoimo bera kha India re ma mo bera reng ani
And we come here, I come here with respect, and I come here to learn from you and understand from you.
nang mani hi karon kal in ne karon kalyan nang mani zana sang tak cheu le ngai san sang tak cheu ne kalau kala
Because I know that your tradition, your history is thousands and thousands of years of wisdom.
in history te in culture upadda te fin na thuk tam na sak tam tak de na in rem chho ani ti kan hian ni
So I come here with humility.
chu wang chuan in ma karon din hian in ngai tlom takin te takin ko mani
I'd like to conclude by thanking you for coming and walking with me today.
voina kabula inon kalna le kahula ke inon kalna wa khan lom thu ka soi duwa
It was a pleasure, a lot of fun for me.
katan chuan thil nuam takani
And I look forward to walking properly across the northeast sometime.
nakina reivak lawa chuan notice pum pui nak ni te ho ne na kal ho hi kalat tira ni
And meeting as many of you as possible.
chu wang chuan chu nak ni poi chak ve karinga ni
Thank you.
kalome